On the 1st of June, the Altar of the Muses will be unveiled. This collection of two neoclassical plays is the extraordinary debut of Peter Heavenheld. Strikingly original, meticulously researched and written with the powerful poetry of blank verse. We begin, like many good stories, in the capital of the Renaissance, Florence. Our hero is Orseo Valentini, and his heroine is sculpture.
Look on these limbs and features that describe the intricate mosaics of expression. Do they not speak to thee? Do they not seem to live with the intensity of nature's arching flesh, within their moment caged by time and stone? But all greatness draws the tax of suffering. Like hound that smelt a fault, it tracks, pursues the swiftest minds as if it would reclaim the superfluity that has been allotted them and spurs them with the snapping jaws of illness, indigence, or solitude.
Is genius a duty to redeem the world, or a license to do anything for art? Genius, immortality, lust, murder, and betrayal. Altar of the Muses by Peter Heavenheld. Available on Amazon.com and all good bookstores from the 1st of June for the introductory price of US $7.99.